Hello everyone, welcome to a new video from Technoc Reviews. Today, I'm going to show you mini vacuum cleaner for car. Don't forget to activate the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. The multifunctional car charging mini home vacuum cleaner is a compact yet powerful cleaning solution designed for both home and on-the-go use. With its Tukba high suction power, this handheld vacuum effortlessly tackles dust, crumbs, and debris, making it perfect for quick cleanups. Featuring a rechargeable lithium battery and USB charging capability, it offers the convenience of wireless operation and portability. Engineered with advanced electronic components, it delivers efficient performance at 36V operating voltage. Whether as a thoughtful gift for Christmas, New Year's, or any festive occasion, this vacuum combines practicality with sleek design, making it an essential addition to any household or car cleaning kit.